Well, here's a very quick video among a pile of garbage because I just wanted to shed some light, share some information about replacement body panels for the Land Cruiser. Now, Toyota will sell you front wings for £408 a piece, plus the VAT, and there's about a 5-day lead time, which is not bad. These come from Ireland. It took less than 3 days for it to ship here, and all of this packaging is what it came delivered in. It was shipped with DPD, and they're normally really good. They're very careful, their parcel tracking is very good, but North-South 4x4, they're very careful to say that they don't accept any liability for damage during shipping. And so, of course, they're damaged, both of them. But there's no way to tell whether that happened in transit or beforehand. So this one, you can see there's a kink here on the line, just on this body panel line. That, unfortunately, that's now my problem to deal with. The other one is dented on the front, again, on the body panel line. It's my problem now, because they don't accept any responsibility for damage during transit. Both are also scratched. This one's got some metal scratches on it, and up here, scuff mark there, deeper scratch here, deeper scratch here. This one's been cut somehow. There is no way that those metal scratches happened while it was in all of this cardboard and bubble wrap. So these were damaged before they left, no doubt about it in my mind. As for the two dents, I can't be certain. This may be able to pop out, but chances are I'm going to exchange a rusty panel for a dented panel. So I think this is still better than what I got, and given that I got these for, I would say these are still better than what I would have had for Toyota for the price, because I would have been almost £900, in fact almost £1,000 from Toyota. This was about £300 delivered, and you know what, they'll do. They will service, and they won't be rusty. All I'm going to have to do is get a bit of paint on these rusty parts so that I don't put them on the car and then have it immediately rust, because I'm not going to get them painted immediately. So, there I have it. 300 quid for that. Very well wrapped, but I'm fairly convinced they were damaged before they even left the warehouse. But still, nothing ventured, nothing gained. I'm still wondering why one's sitting higher than the other, but we'll look over that for now. There you have it. North-South 4x4. Panels seem to be very good, but they've definitely had the crap kicked out of them before they even left the factory.